Hi guys, welcome to Techavro. In this video, I'm gonna be showing you how to install Adobe Acrobat. So firstly, you have to go to this Windows icon, click on this, and you'll find here Adobe Acrobat. Right click, and then you'll find here Uninstall. Click on Uninstall, and it will take you to the control panel. You have to find Adobe Acrobat again. You can see here, right? Just right click on this and click on Uninstall. After clicking on Uninstall, it will ask you for the confirmation. Are you want to sure you want to install Adobe Acrobat? If you click on yes, your Adobe Acrobat will be installed from your computer. It will take some seconds to minute, like 1 minute, and it will be installed from your computer. Okay guys, so this is how you can install Adobe Acrobat. So guys, if you find this video helpful, then please give a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Thank you so much for watching the video.